In the realm of modern interior design, modular kitchens represent a paradigm shift offering unparalleled functionality and aesthetic appeal. The modular kitchen design is a testament to the fusion of innovation and practicality, where every element is meticulously planned to maximize space, efficiency, and enhance the cooking experience. At its core, modular kitchens are characterized by their prefabricated units, cabinets, drawers, and countertops, designed to fit together seamlessly, allowing for a high degree of customization. This approach not only simplifies the installation process but also offers flexibility in design, catering to a variety of tastes and spatial constraints. One of the defining features of a modular kitchen is its versatility. Designers can create layouts that suit any kitchen size, from compact urban apartments to expensive family homes. Modular units come in a range of styles and finishes, from sleek, high gloss surfaces to warm, natural wood grains, enabling homeowners to reflect their personal style while optimizing functionality. For example, the incorporation of pull out shelves and corner units can transform unused space into valuable storage areas, ensuring that every inch of the kitchen is utilized efficiently. Moreover, modular kitchens offer integrate advanced technology to enhance convenience. Features such as built-in appliances, smart lighting systems, and touch-activated faucets are seamlessly incorporated into the design, blending form with function. These technological advancements not only improve the ease of use but also contribute to a more sustainable lifestyle by reducing energy consumption and waste. The design process of a modular kitchen typically involves a detailed assessment of the user's needs and preferences. Designers often employ sophisticated software to create 3D renderings of the proposed layout, allowing clients to visualize the final result before construction begins. This iterative process ensures that every aspect of the kitchen, from the arrangement of cabinets to the placement of appliances, is optimized for both usability and aesthetics. In addition to their practical benefits, modular kitchens also offer aesthetic flexibility. Whether one prefers a minimalistic look or more traditional cozy ambience, modular components can be combined in mirrored ways to achieve the desired effect. Color schemes, textures, and hardware options can all be customized to complement the overall design of the home, ensuring that the kitchen is not only functional but also visually appealing. Furthermore, the modular approach facilitates future upgrades and modification. As culinary trends evolve and personal preferences change, modular kitchens can be easily reconfigured and expanded. This adaptability makes them a long term investment, providing value that extends well beyond an initial installation. In conclusion, the modular kitchen design represents a harmonious blend of innovation, efficiency, and style. By leveraging prefabricated components, advanced technology, and customizable options, modular kitchens addresses the diverse needs of modern living while offering a personalized touch. This dynamic approach to kitchen design is not only transforming the cooking space into a hub of functionality but also enhances the overall aesthetic of the home, making it a standout feature in contemporary interior design. That's all for today. If you liked the video, make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe